Let's micro-raku a bug, made, bisque and glazed in just one day in a normal microwave. I always use a preheated kiln to dry out any ambient moisture, and I've already bisque fired this bug, so the glaze firing is just 5 minutes. You know you've reached 1000 degrees when you can see the hot orange glow out the glory hole in the top of the kiln, and it is hot, so always put it on the kiln shelf when you take the lid off. The ceramics is red hot too, so it needs to go straight into sawdust reduction. The sawdust bursts into flames, and inside those flames that's a reduction atmosphere, meaning no oxygen. I then cover mine with a tin to allow the pot to cool and the glaze to develop for a few minutes until you can do the big reveal. Raku's exciting because you never know what you're going to get, and this one comes out with green mirrors and metallic shimmers. Every single bug comes out differently every time.